Welcome. In front of me is a Oppo Reno 11F, and today I will show you how you can insert your SIM card and SD card into this device. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could also use a paperclip. Extend out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the device, right over here. You want to push the pin in. You can see that the tray pops out enough for you to be able to grab it and pull it out. On the tray you will have space for either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card and 1 SD card. Now if you're planning to utilize the dual SIM card support, you just place one of the SIM cards sideways like so on the SD tray. Now because I'm going to be using one of each, I'm going to shift it over. There we go. And then occupy this tray with my SD card. From there, carefully insert the tray back into your device. Carefully, because there's nothing really holding these cards in place. There we go. Once you do so, as you can see, the cards should start working right away. So I'm going to put in my SIM card pin to unlock that. And we should also have some kind of notification about SD card somewhere. Apparently not. So let's open up our settings. I'm going to just showcase that it is detecting it. So in here we can navigate to storage, whatever that is. And here, yep, it is. And you can see that it is detecting SD card right here. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.